Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So first and foremost, open up your Binance. So remember, you're transferring USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Now on your Binance, click on the wallet option over here and then click on deposit. Now on deposit, search for USDT. When you search for USDT, select the Ton network. So the Ton network is over here, okay? So click on the Ton network, and then after clicking on the Ton network over here, come and copy this network over here. So take note that you have the Ton deposit address and also the USDT memo. So all these are important when you're transferring USDT from Toncoin or from your Tonkeeper to Binance. So first and foremost, I'll copy the address. After copying the address, I'll head back to my Tonkeeper wallet, and then I'll click on USDT portfolio, and then I'll click on send. When I click on send, I'll first come here and then paste the address, okay? And then after pasting the address, I'll come back over here and then copy the memo. So copying the memo, I'll go back to my Binance and then copy over here, okay? This is the memo over here. It's also provided over here. So come and copy it. And then after copying it, head back to your Tonkeeper and also paste it. So right now we have fulfilled both the address and the memo. Click on continue and then input the amount you're sending, for example 25, and then click on continue and you'll be able to send or transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.